Hello, good morning. Welcome to Green Team and TC Barter Show. This is your place to go for everything bartering and cryptocurrency. Two powerful ways to exchange value beyond your traditional money. Every day, we bring you insight, trends, discussion on how bartering is making comeback and how crypto is reshaping financial freedom. So let's dive into the bartering first today. Uh, Bartering is one of the oldest form of trades, and it's evolving in today's economy. People are realizing they can exchange goods and services without the need of cash, whether it's trading skills, household items, digital assets. Bartering is smart and cost-effective way to do business. So that's where we have like tcbarter.com is a platform designed to let you buy and sell without the need for cash on tcbarter.com. So let me share my screen and let's go on tcbarter.com, see what's uh, we have for trade there. So just in a minute. Okay, so here we are on tcbarter.com. We can see here like it says like enter your free listing to unlock the value of your unsold apartments, reservations, inventory, vehicles, real estate, and gift certificates. tcbarter.com is your free online directory, connecting you with other people who want what you have to offer, who can provide equal value to you. Trade directly without the need of without any like gas fees like we do pay in crypto, and discover the benefit of bartering. So let's sign in to this website. Okay, so we signed in tcbarter.com, and we can see if we click on market, we can see we have a lot of things that we can have with like TCs with credits. Uh, we have, by the way, we have like 2,550 active members from all over the world. We can see from Belgium, Canada, Africa, Congo, and also from United States. So if we go on United States section, if we go back on market and see what we have there, so we can see we have a lot of things like this DoorDash, like for 50 TCs, and Uber transportation is also in like available in 50 TCs. IHOP gift certificates, which are available for like 25 TCs. Southwest airline tickets, which are available for 500 TCs. We have Subway, which is available for 20 TCs. And if we slide to other page, so we have a lot of like places where you can eat by just using like TCs, great credits. So we also have a car available here, which is like 2007 Okra, available for 9,000 TCs. So there are like four ways to acquire TCs at like tcbarter.com. So the number one is like you can place a free listing to start earning TCs by offering your professional services, products, vehicles, vacation rentals, or real estate. The second one is like you can place products, gift certificates, and pledges on consignment in the TC warehouse. And the third one is like you can share your unique referral link and earn 10 TCs each when your friend or family member enter a verified listing at tcbarter.com. And the number four is like you can buy TCs with your ETHTC or any other cryptocurrency at current DEX screener or CoinGecko value. And if we click on recommended, we have like some other marketplaces. Like here we can see uh, TC Trade Market, Real TC, TC Advertising, TC Directory, Mobile TC Trade Market, and we also have like our Facebook page. If we click on this, like TC Alliance Foundation, that's our non-profit organization where we teach a lot of like different things, and you can use your TCs to get like classes. So here, some people are teaching, different things like This circuit is teaching electronics. Our active member, which is Victor, is teaching like cybersecurity, and a lot of like other people are teaching like different types of things. So let's go back to tcbarter.com, and if we click on display ads, so here we can see a lot of different ads from different people. By the way, if you put your ad on marketplace on tcbarter.com, that is like completely free. But if you want to get like more impression and more views, you must need to put your ad in the display section. For that, you just need to pay a little bit like TCs. And if you want to put the ad in just the marketplace, it is like completely free. And we have like other option restaurants. If we click on that, we have a lot of places to eat, like this Apollo Burger from Salt Lake City. We have DoorDash. We have a lot of like different things that you can use your TCs to buy or trade. And if we click on the market again, and there is like three types of trades at like tcbarter.com. One is you can use like TCs uh, at like tcbarter.com, and the second one is like you can do direct trades, and the third one is like you can use cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ethtc, or any other cryptocurrency. And if we click on terms and conditions here, it's explained what like TCs are. So TCs are electronic gift certificates which are redeemable at like tctrademarket.com or tcbarter.com in exchange for larger ads for your business. Most ads are related to bartering your services or rental. You can redeem yourself within the community, uh, and you can also use your TCs to buy and sell, the things you want on tcbarter.com. So and we are doing live right now, and if we click on YouTube. So that's our YouTube channel, which is called tcbarter.com. If you like ever missed the show, you can always go back and watch all the our like previous sessions. So this is where we are live right now, and all the like our old videos. So if you haven't like subscribed it yet, you should subscribe and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's go back. Okay, so I think we have covered I think everything in bartering. So let's go on crypto market, see what's the market is doing in the past like 24 hours. So let's go on CoinGecko. So on CoinGecko, we can see the market is like still down. Yesterday it was, recovering a little bit in the 24-hour section, but today we can see, it's red. Everything is red for the 24 hours and also for the week. We can see the whole market is down like 3% in the past 24 hours. If we see the Bitcoin, it's down like 3.5% in the 24 hours, standing on $85,000. And if we see Ethereum, which is down more than Bitcoin, it's down like almost 6% and standing on like 2,300. And if we see the rest of like other market, uh, everything is red. We can see almost red candles for a day and also for the week. And if we see the chart for the Bitcoin, so if we see the 7 days range, the Bitcoin was like $100,000 and it dumped from like 95 to $80,000 yesterday, and it was recovering a little bit, but again today, it has a dump. And we can see chart for if we click on the 7 days. So the chart is still on the downtrend. It's still going down. And if we see for the 30 days, it's also down like 17%. So let's go on Pulsechain market, see what's the Pulsechain is doing. For that, we need to go on DEX screener. So, in crypto market, every coin follows the Bitcoin and the rest of like big markets. So Pulsechain is also down. We can see uh, Pulsechain itself is down like 4% in the 24 hours. And if we see Hex, it's also down like 3.5%. PulseX is also down like 7% almost. And if we see incentive, that's the reward token, which is also down like 5% in the past 24 hours. And if we see the gainers for today, let's click on gainers. So, as usual, it's, meme token, the useless tokens. So this is Sursum is up like 30% in the 24 hours. This one is also up like 21%, but if we see for the 6 hours, it's, going down. So people are, started dumping. It's only like 11 days old, but it's still, going down for the 6 hours. So the meme tokens are, full of risk. It has always like more than 90%, I would say, in risk that you may lo lose your money, while putting in meme tokens. And if we see our like green steam token, which is called ETHTC, Ethereum Trade Credits, is also down like 4% in the past 24 hours. So that's mean, green team has opportunity to buy in discounted price today. So we're gonna buy a little bit and we're gonna try to make it like at least 2% average for a day. So for those like new here, green team is a group of people who buy their tribe token. It could be any token, but for us, like it is ETHTC, and they buy and help it make it up at least average of like 2% for a day. But today, it's not 2%, so we're gonna make it 2% for 24 hours. So if we click on the chart, so we can see even, the rest of the big market, even Bitcoin, Ethereum, both are down for a day and also for the week. ETSTC, its like chart is like still on the uptrend. We can see green candles. So today it has a little bit like red candle because of the market. The whole market is down in the 24 hours and still, dumping. And if we see the price is like 5 zeros and three, and liquidity on this pair is like $30,000. And if we scroll down a little bit, we can see the websites and marketplaces where you can spend your ETSTC directly without even selling. And they also have their Twitter and Telegram listed here. So what like 2% philosophy is, so green team has a 2% philosophy. Let me pull up the chart. So here is like green steam chart, which is like 2% a day average. So if you put $800 in a token that you think it's gonna does averages of like 2% a day, after like 37 days, it's gonna be like $1,600. And after like 6 months, it's gonna be like $27,000. And after like a year, it's gonna be like $1 million. But there is like no guarantee. You can see sometime, market is dumping. So today we can see a little bit down in ETHTC as well, but it's not gonna stay long. We're gonna buy and make it average of like 2% a day. So here we can see a bunch of like different pairs. It's paired with like wrapped poles. That's the main pair, which has like 30,000 in liquidity, and we also have like eHex pair, which has like 10,000 in liquidity. We also have like Hex pair, which is on Pulse chain, and it also has the main liquidity of like $33,000. So that was the crypto market update, and we're gonna switch screen and we're gonna buy a little bit ETHTC today. Let me share my screen and my other screen where we have our wallet. So let's see who joined us on the Zoom today. So we have Lon. Hi, Lon. Good morning. So here I'm on my wallet and I'm on I'm on Ethereum and I need to go on Pulsechain in order to buy ETHTC tokens. So here I have like some Pulsechain tokens and that I'm gonna use some to buy ETHTC tokens. So for that we need to use exchanges. So for me, I use like two different exchanges. One is called Pulsex. You always need to make sure that you're on the right website. Sometimes there is like fake or scam websites. Whenever you just click on like connect wallet, it drained all of your money from your wallet. So you always need to be aware. And the other exchange I use is called like Perius.io, which is also decentralized exchange. Okay, so we also need like DEX screener in order to watch our ETHTC token. So on top, I have like Polestin that I'm gonna use some to buy ETHTC token, and I'm gonna put ETHTC on the bottom, and we're gonna make transaction of like maybe $100. Okay, we're gonna use like $79, and we're gonna buy ETHTC tokens, and we're gonna also compare with Pirius. So we're gonna put the same amount in Pirius. Okay, we're- so we're gonna put like 2 million polls at a time to buy ETHTC token on Pulsex and also on Pirius. We need to change to the ETHTC. Okay, on Pulsex we are getting 21 million ETHTC token with like $79. And let's see on So on Pulsex, we are getting like 21 million and 96,000 ETHTC token, and on Pirius we are getting even more, like 21 million and 114,000 ETHTC tokens. So we're gonna use Pirius for this transaction. We're gonna hit confirm, and we're gonna click on confirm. So our transaction is confirmed, and it's still pending. So let's go and see our watch list. So on Pulse X pair, it's up a little bit for the 24 hours. It's up like 1.5%. But on the rest of like other pairs, it's down. It's been, following the market. So our transaction is confirmed. And let's see, yeah, we can see a little bit like green candles for the 5 minutes and like 1 hour. It's up a little bit. And even on Pulse X pair, it's, up like 2%. So we did our target for a day, and we're gonna make like another transaction for the same amount. Same, we're gonna put like 2 million Pulse tokens on PDS and also on PulseX. So on PDS, we're getting like 21,126,000 ETHTC token, and on PulseX, we're getting, less tokens. So we're gonna use PDS for this transaction too. We're gonna confirm transaction. We're gonna hit confirm and wait for transaction to confirm. It's still pending. So we can see, it started turning green a little bit for the 5 minutes and 1 hour because green team is buying it right now and trying to make it up at least 2% average for a day. So our second transaction is also confirmed. Let's refresh DEX screener. Okay, I think I need to turn off my VPN. Okay, so we can see it's going up a little bit for the last like 5 minutes and also for the 1 hour. And the other market, if we see Hex and Pulsechain that are also, turning a little bit green for the 5 minutes and 1 hour. So that's mean, that's the real, buying opportunity. And if we see ETSTC on Pulse, sorry, on Pulsechain, it's up 2.5% in the 24 hours. So we did our target for a day, at least like 2% for 24 hours, and we're gonna make a couple of like more transaction to make it 2% for other. Okay, we are back. So let's go back where we were. So we were on DEX screener and we were watching our tokens. So we can see Pulsechain and Hex both are starting to turning into green. And if we go on CoinGecko, see what's the big market is doing. If we like hit refresh, so we can see the big market is like still red for even the five for the last like hour and also for the 24 hours. And we can see Bitcoin is like still down, Ethereum is also down. We can see the rest of other market is like still down. So I would rather wait a little bit than I would jump into the into buy ETSTC token, because the whole market, the big market is like still down. By the way, we did try to move a little bit. Even on Pulse pair, it's up 2.5%. So it's making its target on this pair, but still on other pair, it's down a little bit. Uh, we can see a little bit like green candles for the last like 1 hour and 5 minutes, but later, when we see the market is when the market will start uh, turning green for the last like 1 hour and 24 hours, then we're gonna jump and buy, you know, uh, buy some more. We will do like some more transaction, and we're gonna make it like more than 2% for a day. So that was all from my side today, and we saw the market, still going down, still, borrowing. S- Some things are still up a little bit, but the rest of, overall, the big market is still down. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much for watching, guys, on YouTube. Uh, if you have like any questions or anything you want to ask, you can always ask in the comment box. We would love to answer. And we're gonna see you tomorrow the same time on the same channel at like tcbarter.com. Have a great day. Thank you so much.